Hello guys. So right now we're going to unbox something. The UGREEN converter from Type C, USB Type C to HDMI, because our new laptop does not have a micro HDMI or mini HDMI. So we have just one HDMI and some Type C right here. But when we're working, we want to have multiple screens. So my plan is to have these two screens together to be able to use it with my laptop. Okay, so at first we're able to set this up. I will link the video on the description, so you can refer to it later. Okay, but right now the only thing I can use is this big one with my laptop because of the HDMI. So we have some switches here. I can switch the keyboard and mouse going to the laptop or going to the desktop. Okay, so if I transfer it here, I can use it with my laptop. This one. But I cannot use the third screen. Okay, the landscape one is very important, especially if you're going to access your emails, etc. It's a really good layout for that. So to do that, you have to unbox this. It is worth 662 pesos only, so cheap. What is this? Thank you for your purchase. You're welcome. So this is the product that we have. Still sealed up. Let's open it. Let's see the content. Another thank you pamphlet from UGREEN, and this is what we have. Okay, so we will be putting this USB here, and then the HDMI going to the third screen. Okay, it's really good, looks good, looks good. Okay, but before we can do that, we need an extra HDMI, which is this one. Okay, so to test it, we have to test it as well. Okay, to test it, we have to remove this first. So this was the original. This was the original. Remove. This is the long one. We can't use this any longer. Maybe next time when we get another laptop with the mini HDMI, or is it a micro HDMI? I forgot. So we have to remove this. It still works, by the way. And then we will try if this one works. Okay. So put this back. Try it here. And then you will switch this. If it works, then The screen works, but oh no, we need to fix the orientation first. Okay. So display settings, identify. Duplicate, extend the display. Keep changes. For the second screen, I need to put it to portrait. No, it's the other way around. Portrait clip. There we go. See, so at least we have it here. So we can use this one. We can use this one as well. Okay, so we're able to test it. The cable is working. Okay, so I have to remove it. Put back the original one for this screen, and then have to plug this in. And then plug this in here. I think it's still installing. Right. There we go. So it works. Wait. Display settings. What's happening? Display displays. No. What happened? There we go. We have 3 screens already. Okay. It was loading earlier. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. So the 2 should be in portrait flip. Okay, keep changes. So we will test. We have screen 1. We have screen 2. And let's try to have screen 3. Here we go. Screen 3. Working. Now we can properly work with our laptop using multiple screens. We have 3 screens now. Okay. Let's go back to the setting. This and like this. Apply. Alright. So we can properly navigate the mouse across the multiple screens. So it's working. I'm just going to fix this. And when we go back to the desktop, it's still fine. Right? Still fine. Still have the desktop. Right. Okay. So I think it's working properly. Let's go back to the laptop just to be able to test this. For the resolution. So, the resolution. 1080 by 1920. It's fine. Okay, it's working. Thank you very much. Just check the description for the related video if you want to check out how to set up the monitor switch for the multiple monitors that we're using, as well as for the USB control for the keyboard and the mouse. Thank you very much. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.